Skyline. The city skyline is shrouded in fog today. Skyline. Lizard. On a recent trip to Costa Rica, my brother and I saw many lizard species. Lizard. Bird's nest. I explained to the kids this morning that they should never disturb a bird's nest. Bird's nest. Mist. There was so much fog and mist this morning that I could hardly see where I was going. Mist. Dirt bike. The weekend dirt bike races were some of the most competitive we have ever seen. Dirt bike. Lava. The Hawaiian Islands are the result of millions of years of lava pouring out of volcanoes in the middle of the ocean. Lava. Mine. The gold mine is expected to produce gold and minerals for 30 more years. Mine. Runner. Thousands of runners came out in support of breast cancer research this weekend. Runner. Sailboat. Let's take the sailboat down to the Caribbean this summer. Sailboat. Pug. My pug is lazy. He spends his days lounging around the house. Pug. Ladybug. As I was watering the plants, I noticed a bright red ladybug chewing on a leaf. Ladybug. Dog. Jenny's dog is always finding sticks to play with at the local park. Dog. Full moon. The full moon shined bright over the snow-covered peaks last night. Full moon. Basketball court. The park downtown has multiple basketball courts and a skate park. Basketball court. Kayak. I love my new kayak. Mary and I have been kayaking every morning this week. Kayak. Surfing. Surfing is a popular sport on the west coast of the United States. Surfing. Jacket. A warm jacket is critical when hiking at high altitude. Jacket. Cat. My sister-in-law surprised her kids by bringing home a new cat. Cat. Wolf pack. Yellowstone National Park now has many active wolf packs roaming the park. Wolf pack. Rugby. My best friend played rugby in college. Rugby. Duck. My nephew loves feeding the ducks at the family lake house. Duck. Fox. I saw a beautiful red fox on the way home from work the other day. Fox. Stadium. Baseball fans filled the stadium today to watch the first game of the World Series. Stadium. Beach. Be sure to wear sunscreen if you're planning to go to the beach. Beach. Cactus. Wild cactus in Arizona can grow to over 40 feet tall. Cactus. Longboard. Amy's traveling everywhere now on her new longboard. Longboard. Climbing rope. Danny brought 200 feet of climbing rope for the long climb up the rock face. Climbing rope. Land iguana. The Galapagos land iguana can only be found in the remote Galapagos Islands. Land iguana. Hiking shoes. A good pair of hiking shoes should last you a long time. Hiking shoes. Garden patio. Tropical plants and bamboo furniture enhance the look of any garden patio. Garden patio. Rocket launch. SpaceX rocket launches have had so much success that they are igniting a new global space race. Rocket launch. Ferris wheel. Mark and Susan say they fell in love on a Ferris wheel at the county fair. Ferris wheel. Penguin. Penguins are amazing swimmers, but they have trouble getting around on land. Penguin. Hammock. I would never go camping without my comfortable personal hammock. Hammock. Wave. The red flags were flying on the beach today, indicating the waves are too rough for swimming. Wave. Plants. My mom stays busy during the summer, tending to her garden, and the many plants around the house. Plants. Ski resort. A blizzard struck the Alpine ski resort, and covered everything in 50 inches of snow. Ski resort. Rock climbing. David is new to rock climbing, and took his time in a challenging section of the climb. Rock climbing. Camper van. The nice thing about a camper van is you can park it anywhere and enjoy the outdoors. Camper van. Tree frog. Tropical rainforests are home to many species of colorful, and sometimes poisonous, tree frogs. Tree frog. Hang gliding. Beginners share stories about how scared they were the first time they went hang gliding. Hang gliding. Mountain biking. Two-time world champion Alex Hamilton set a mountain biking record this morning. Mountain biking. Puffins. Puffins can be found in the northern regions of the United States, Canada, and Norway. Puffins. Volcano. A massive volcano erupted recently, and forced thousands to flee their home. Volcano. Antique car. Prices in the antique car market are higher than they have ever been before. Antique car.